Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, I have to show about the Facebook marketing place. How will be posting classified ads on your particular Facebook as a profile, as a business page. You can watch entire video, you will be understanding. So what are the options they're providing for Facebook, for marketing place, for profile and page also. Coming to the Facebook profile, the Facebook profile, the option will be called Facebook marketing place. The people posting for real estate properties, bike selling, lot of things are there. First of all, each and every posting, what are the options are there? First, we can check it out. Coming to the create new listing, item for sale. If you are any item will be sale purpose, any kind of items. Vehicle for sale. We have vehicle two wheeler, four wheelers, or any vehicle we have to sale purpose. Property sale and rent. Suppose you have properties are there in your property, how we can sell, how we can show the renting, and you can showing for job openings. First of all, item sale. We'll go with the item sale option. What are the priorities are there? Photos. The minimum photo we can add in for 10 photographs. After title, price, and category. Category will be called. We can come into the tools, furniture, household, garden, applicants, entertainment, video games, book, film, music, bags, and health and beauty. Every options are here. They will be trust and condition. New, user like a new, user good, user fail. So they will give the condition option. After that, writing a description and a product tag and location. List as a stock, as a list as a single item. So they give you the information will be here. After this one, we have to click for next option. There will be final stage will be called review and start the option will be given in a particular option. So what are the important here? See this will be suppose photo. I'm adding for one dummy photo here that will be used like this. Just I'm adding for one dummy photo. I'll show in purpose. You click for next. Here marketplace in this. After that, we can sharing for multiple groups also. In this benefit is called marketing place. You have to share multiple groups on your brand. Select here. See this. So that is called just I'm adding for one content. This will be help for the multiple groups. But the group will be visible when you join the group. They're visible by your particular product and the particular groups. So most of the we have to sell your marketing place product on a particular Facebook group option. So that is the call people joining for Facebook groups for business purpose. These all will be business groups. Remaining you have to join the remaining group. They will be suggested by the groups also. Which group will be required? We can join in the particular group. The group will be joining will be two parameters by profile, by page also in this. This is the first one. Two will be product for item will be sale purpose. Second one is you have to sell by vehicle, vehicle type, car, motorcycle, anything. Next, upload photo. Their upload photo will up to 20 photos we can upload. Next win. So location and year of purchase and make, model number and price and description. After click for next, you will be start the posting on the ad. So vehicle purchasing, the important is called vehicle type, photos uploading for 20 photos and location, year of manufacture, making, model number, price and description. This will be vehicle for sale purpose. Next is a complete for real estate people will be use this option. House sale and rent. The image will be 50 image will be upload. Second thing will be property sale or rent. Property type, flat, house, room only, and townhouse, and number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, price, property address, property description, carpet area, furniture, air conditions, listed by. So what is that? Listed by agent or owner. So agent will be different. They will be conditions are here. After the next, you can share him by group also. By vehicle sale does not work from the groups, which is showing for two options. Next will be upload for the we can share groups also. This is the vehicle sale. Items will be 10 photos and vehicle sale will be 20 photos. Property sale will be 50 photos. And job openings, job title, work location, full-time or part-time or internship, voluntary or contract, job description, salary, and hour base per day, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And we available staff. Here, all options will be given, email address and post. Click for next will be here. This all will be job position. So people will be looking for to learning the free concept as a voluntary or contract. So this is a depend on by option. Again, will be select posting for job. This will be posting for where on your particular profile option. Coming to the page, they come into the shop option. The product will be adding on the option, add the photo and video, name of the product, price, description, checkout URL, and they will be showing for public and unpublished. Share the product on your page and condition will be new, refurnished, used, user good, user like new. So this all option add the product. If they can't mention is a vehicle sale, nothing here. The product sale will be possible by your page option will be here. Recommended photo guidelines for tips making a product and image and look here. In this major important is called they uploading photos and video also. They will be. So that is option will be edit and posting on the particular option. Once ad will be done, they close here. And ad approve is depend on the Facebook admin team. So you upload the product will be sale on your page. The compulsory accepting for on the particular Facebook authority team. In a Facebook marketing place, item sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale, and job openings. Coming to the page, you have to sell your products to reach the audience on the particular options. So this is a method will be given by the Facebook business page and Facebook profile. Facebook profile, what are the product we can sell? Automatically will be shared on the groups for item sale, property sale, and rent. Vehicle for sale that you can post, people will be show to the customer. How the people will be post a customer will be here. These all will be kind of sales will be posting on the particular Facebook marketing place. Vehicle sale, any kind of bids. So these all will be useful by using Facebook classifieds. You will be get the notification also. Will be particular option will be given on the particular scenario will be here. So this is the will be given by the every option will be here. Browse marketplace and your account. What are the listing you will be saved? Everything will be shown to the customer in this option. So use it and a particular option by Facebook marketplace, create ads and sell your properties, sell your product, sell your vehicles by using Facebook profile. Facebook profile, any content we can share in Facebook groups, not for Facebook pages. So that is the people will be adding Facebook groups on the each and every profile to adding the Facebook group, create the new Facebook group to sell the vehicles and item showing purpose. They will be most affected by the Facebook group compared with the Facebook page. Facebook page, particular product will be selling purpose. They will be used Facebook business page. Any doubt about the marketing place? How will we place the real estate ads? How is the placing for the sale ad? Any have doubts? You can ask me. I definitely will be support. They will be onto the my channel. So guys, they will be trust the running for Facebook people. Don't misguide from the any kind of third party users will be misguide for you. Share OTP, nothing required from Facebook authority team. Upload the content, share the groups, get the best leads. They good customer, approach them and sell your vehicle and get your money. So that is a very important to understanding this. In your case at time, no need any OTP, any message not required. To genuine customer, they will be approached. In a description, you mention who will be looking for genuine customer, call to us. They approach them. They will be posting the content on the Facebook marketing page and getting the sale on your particular products. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.